Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Koti. Now I am going to show you how to create EC2 instance. Okay, now I am under EC2 section. So for example, okay, let me show you. So when you log in, as soon as you log in, this is the view you get. Okay, sometimes you are not able to see recently visited section, so because now I have already used EC2, that's why here I am able to see EC2 under recently visited. In case if you are not able to see here, so you can just search here what for whatever the component you want. In this case I want EC2. Okay, search for EC2, and if you go under instances, currently, there are not any running instance. Okay, so let me create an instance. So click this launch instances. Okay, so here basically uh, this presents so easy to means uh, somewhere in the in somewhere automatically servers are created if you choose the if you choose the appropriate image. For example, this is Amazon machine image. Similarly, you have Mac OS machine image, Ubuntu machine image, like that. So there would be a VPC, which means virtual private cloud. So Amazon would automatically take care of that one. You don't need to create that one. If you want, you can create, but if you don't want, you can just start with choosing the image whatever you want. In this case, I want to go with this Amazon. So in this Amazon, if you see, there are a lot of images are there, a lot of Linux images are there. So the thing to notice here is we need to go for only free tier eligible, otherwise it is going to cost us. Okay, so under free tier, we are entitled for some allowances, free allowances, so we can access that. So in this case, I am just going with the first one. Okay, Amazon Linux 2023 AMI, and here, yeah, which is T2 micro, which is free tier eligible, and key pair. So if you don't have key pair already, you can select this create new key pair option, and here you can select RSA. And if your machine is anything other than Windows, you can select this dot pem. So in my case, my machine is Windows, so that's why I select this dot ppk, and then click create key pair. I have already created one, so I am not going to create another one. So what I will do is I will just select that key pair. Okay, and here I want to create a security group, and I want to create I want to allow HTTP and HTTPS as well. Okay, and I don't want to change any other options. So I have selected protocols, I have selected key pairs. I have selected the Amazon machine image that I wanted to. Yeah, that's it. And I have selected the number of instances, which is one by default. I don't want to change them, so I just want to click launch instance. Okay, so it will take few minutes, before new instance is created. So here it says that successfully initiated launch of instance. So if you click this one, you are able to see that newly created instance. Or the other way to look into that one is if you go to EC2, here if you reach out to instances, uh, it does refresh. Maybe it takes sometimes. Yeah, so finally I could see that instance we just created. It is it is running now. Okay, so uh, now what we have to do is, so we can try to connect to this thing to see whether we are able to. So treat this, this EC2 instance like a server which was created in a virtual host. Okay. So if we want to, for example, if we want to install anything onto that server, so we need to connect to that host on which this EC2 instance is running. So for that, what we have to do is you have to select that instance that you want to connect to and click connect. Okay. And then here you can select the way in which you want to connect. So I would just go with the first option, connect using EC2 instance connect. Click connect. Okay. Here it is establishing connection. So now it is ready. So let me test it again. Where am I? So yeah, EC2 user. So by default, you are connected to yeah, connected with EC2 user only. So if you want to make any installations, you need to switch to sudo user. So sudo minus I. If see, now this time I could see root when I type, who am I? Okay. So let me see whether there is any existing Java or not. Okay. Java minus. Okay. There is no Java there. So let me install Java. So yum install Java minus 1.8.0. Okay. In this case, I want to install 1.8.0. Again, yeah, I could see Java 8 is installed. So that's it for this lecture. So thanks for joining. Let See you soon in the next video. Thank you.